Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is super important. This is part 2 of the process where we actually install the Windows 11 ISO we created earlier. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, stop right here and go watch it first. The link is in the description. Otherwise, this won't make much sense. In the previous video, I showed you how to clone your entire Windows 11 system, including apps, programs, and settings, into an ISO file. Now, I'm going to show you how to install that ISO and get your system back exactly the way it was. So let's get started. As you can see, the ISO backup is ready. Now we need to prepare a bootable USB drive. You'll need an empty USB drive that's large enough for your ISO file. Plug it in, then download Rufus from the official website. I'll be using the portable version. Once downloaded, open Rufus. You should see your USB drive already detected. Even if it's not empty, don't worry, it will be completely erased during this process. Now select your USB drive, then choose your ISO file, the Windows Backup ISO you created earlier. You can give your USB a name if you like. There are some advanced options in Rufus, but you don't need to touch those, just leave them as default. For the partition scheme, I'm choosing MBR since it's more compatible with both older and newer systems. Now click Start. You'll see a warning message, read it carefully, then click OK. Next, you'll see some Windows 11 options. If you're installing on an older PC that doesn't meet Windows 11 requirements, select the first two options like I've done. If your PC is newer, you can leave everything unchecked. Then click OK, and the process will begin. This step will take some time depending on your USB speed, so just let it finish. Remember, everything on the USB drive will be erased. Once it's done, close Rufus. Your bootable USB is now ready. Now comes the exciting part, installing your backup. Shut down your PC, then turn it back on and boot from the USB drive. Usually, you'll need to press a key like F12, Escape, or Del to access the boot menu. Once it boots, you'll see the standard Windows setup screen. Choose your language and keyboard layout, then click Next. Now here's a key step, click Previous version of setup at the bottom left, then Proceed. After that, click Install now. If you have a product key, you can enter it. If not, just click I don't have a key. Windows should activate automatically later. Click Next, then choose Custom, Install Windows Only. Now, for the drive setup, if your drive already has partitions, delete them all until you see unallocated space. Then select it and click Next. Now the installation will begin. This process may take a while, and your system will restart automatically. You can click Restart now when prompted. Here's the best part, once it restarts, you won't need to set everything up again. Your Windows will load exactly as you backed it up, apps, programs, settings, everything intact. And that's it! You've successfully restored your entire Windows 11 system from your custom ISO. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And if you want more powerful Windows tricks like this, make sure you stick around, I've got more coming.